Recently, I was browsing the internet, as you do, and I was looking at people's eyes, right into their souls. And I wondered if there was a way that they could stop me. And the answer is no. But hypothetically, you could do what I'm about to do here. I have with me here Mr. Gandolfini, whose eyes are open, as you can see. And the only way to prevent what I was talking about before would probably be to do this. Grab that tool there. Get that tool there, and then just, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a lot more graceful than that, but you just want to do like a little. All right. Yeah. And then you get the bottoms. All right. And now we just finish it off with the eyelids. And yeah, this is a new picture. So now we can just save this as something else. Hot. Oops. Hot Tony Soprano. See what I'm saying? It's that easy. You can also do it with more colorful pictures here, but it might be harder. We'll just try to speed run closing these things here. I'll take. This is a good area. He might be looking a little red though. We'll see. Okay. That's working great actually. The other one. Ooh, we're gonna need a second color for the other one. And we have to pay attention to things like his age, Oh, what on? Because like some people are tempted to give the older individuals white eyelashes, but that won't happen here. Nah, yeah, we'll just stick with the Super Supremes and give them. Now look at the man. Sleepy.